Walking through the city when the light begins to fade, chasing all the memories and promises we made. The quiet streets are whispers of a time we used to know, before the shadows lengthened and we had to let it go. And I still hear your voice in every crowded room, like a distant melody beneath a faded moon. 'Cause we were fire in a cold midnight sky, a spark that caught the wind and burned too high. Now I'm standing here, just calling out your name, listening to the echoes in the rain. Yeah, listening to the echoes in the rain. I keep a piece of paper with your handwriting on the glass, a frozen moment lingering, a reminder of the past. We thought that we were invincible, thought time was on our side. Now I'm holding on to shadows that the darkness tries to hide. And I still hear your voice in every crowded room, like a distant melody beneath a faded moon. 'Cause we were fire in a cold midnight sky, a spark that caught the wind and burned too high. Now I'm standing here, just calling out your name, listening to the echoes in the rain. Yeah, listening to the echoes in the rain. And if I could turn back every ticking clock, break down the walls where the answers were locked, I'd tell you that I loved you before the storm came in, before we became a story of what might have been. We were fire in a cold midnight sky, a spark that caught the wind and burned too high. Now I'm standing here, just calling out your name, listening to the echoes in the rain. Echoes in the rain. Just a whisper in the dark, listening to the echoes in the rain.